Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to revoke permissions on MetaMask. Now, we need to do two things. One, we need to have MetaMask on our Chrome on the extension. So as you can see here, go to the Chrome store and download the extension. And once you log into your wallets, it's going to be here on your right-hand side. As you can see, this is MetaMask. Second is we need to go to revoke.cash. And once you are here on their homepage, look towards the upper right corner. There's a button that says Connect Wallet. So click this. This pop-up will appear. The very first option, of course, is MetaMask. So click that so that it's going to ask for Revoke to be connected to your MetaMask over here on your right-hand side. Click Connect. There we go. We are now connecting. And once we are here, we pretty much set up. All we need to do is just choose the network that we use a lot. For example, Ethereum, Base, Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon, whatever. And then on the list of permissions, just choose which one that you want to remove. There's going to be a revoke button right beside it. Now take note that when you do this, there is going to be a tiny gas fee. It is not free, just like any network procedure. And after that, you will be good to go. Even if you go to history, it won't be there. And yeah, pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.